Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be giving away the analog version of the very popular Flywoo LR4 long range 4-inch model. It's going to be the plug and fly version and the winner will be getting a brand new one. All you need to do to enter is be a subscriber of this channel, like this video, but also click the links in the video description. Now, because it's Black Friday, myself and Banggood have come up with a bunch of their products that I think deserve to have a lot of money off and coupons, so make sure that you click that link and check it out. But also put a comment in the below, just one comment, mind. Duplicate comments will be ignored. That includes replying to other people in the comments and myself. So make sure that you don't do that. And I will be announcing the winner in a week's time. So good luck to everybody. Thank you to Banggood for providing one of these as a giveaway. You will be getting a brand new one. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.